I remember it was a morning where there was really bad weather, and I was driving in for an early morning appointment, and I had my 3 kids with me, and it was like one of those appointments that I was able to squeeze in and just get the kids here to get something adjusted. When I was leaving the office, one of the employees who works at the front desk came up to me and just said, "I see you, and I can tell you have a lot on your plate right now, and we're going to try to be more flexible with appointment times so that this doesn't happen again." And I hadn't even complained. My kids don't argue to come to the dentist anymore, and they're not afraid of coming to the dentist. And I would even say that they have fun here. And for me as a parent, not to have to put my child in a position where someone is doing something to their body that they don't want done is a really powerful thing.
I think as parents that have treated our own children and watched them suffer from things that we can help with, it helps us empathize with other families, but we also know how challenging it can be to implement change at home and how we can talk about the importance, but we also recognize that it's not just an easy thing that's going to be a switch and change and be better the next day.
It gives us a lot of perspective as to what families face every day in raising kids, and you know how much you love them and how much you want to help them. I think it gives us a lot of perspective in the way we approach treatment.
I love that she is, like I said, very personable. It almost feels like you know her as a friend, as a person, outside of just being professional. She's just super welcoming. She gets to know you as a person a little bit. I'm very pleased with the experience I've had here. So
They have autonomy here, and they're active participant in their care. And so that's been something from the very beginning that really kind of felt good and resonated with me as a parent.